Welcome to another video. I'm going to be dropping a lot of videos, but today I want to make total life changes very simple when starting. I want to break it down so you really understand what's going on. It's very simple. It's very simple. So, when joining TLC, Total Life Changes, you're going to either become a preferred customer or become a life changer. The difference is, as a life changer, which is a rep, you're going to earn, income in six different ways. As a preferred customer, you can earn some volume, you can earn some perks, but it just really a go to, product purchasing in the future. But the difference in pricing, is becoming a life changer. You're going to have to buy a kit. The kit is around 50 bucks. You can buy a digital kit. I would prefer, if it's in stock, to buy a traditional kit. It's going to come with sometimes wristbands, headbands, pamphlets, samples, all types of things. So you're in your personalized website, as you're seeing me on right now. So you're going to get a website, starter products for samples, pamphlets, brochures for 50 bucks. Now, to be a life changer and to be a preferred customer, you really can join. You can buy any type of product, but if you want to be a rep, I'm going to show you the real qualifications. It's going to look different when you actually become a rep, so I want to let you know exactly what you're going to be looking for when you go to the being a rep process. So after you buy the kit, you're going to want to buy a best selling product. It's going to range, they're going to be 40 volume. You need a 40 volume product to become a rep. In our 40 most of our 40 volume products are on a bestseller. So it's just a thing. It's just how it goes. These are the flagship products. So just to make it simple, bestseller products. So for example, we click on the T. Most of our best-selling products are around this range, $59.95. So that's another key to let you know. So you're gonna come either get the instant tea, you're gonna get the 5-pack, the NutriBurst, the NRG Resolution, or Delgada. But let me also come into kits and packs. These are even more volume, but this will really set you all the way over the edge. So really, you want a 40 volume product, and you should know 40 volume products are $59.95 and above, just to make it even more simple. Because I know some people really will probably get lost, trying to become a rep. So if you're buying a kit, you're way over that, because the kits come with multiple products. So this is also a good start too. I will, also let you be known there is some sales tax and there is a little bit of shipping. Shipping can range depending where you are, $8 or $8 or up. So remember that, just being transparent. So for me personally, if you click on these kits, it depends what you're going for. If you're going to really detox and replenish those minerals and get those vitamins that you may be lacking, because you most likely aren't big on keeping up with vegetables, vitamins, fruits on a consistent basis throughout the day, you can get the Synergy kit. It's going to give you the brew tea, which is one of my favorites because it's all natural products. What you have to realize is, if you put anything in an instant form, you have to have some cutouts when it comes to Mother Earth, Mother Nature. So if it's in an instant pack, you're not going to be able to add 100% all herbs. You're going to have something to put it in that powder form and to preserve it. So with this brewed tea, it's in a form of a tea bag. It's a tea bag. So in that form, you can just put crushed herbs in the tea bag. There you go. So that's why I prefer that on my bean, and it's smoother. It's just regular tea. So it's, so if you add like agave to it, it's going to do what a regular tea does. Versus this, the instant teas, it's instant, so it's a powder form, so you're going to get that little aftertaste. It's not bad. The raspberry tea is very good. Very good. It's more on the sweet side. Lemon is more, it's cool, but it gives you that tarty taste. But anyways, these two teas have CBD in them. So if you're going for, the medicinal usages when it comes with CBD, that's why you will go through this. if you're someone that wants to play it safe and like I just don't want to take the risk of it possibly showing in my blood test, you'll go with this. It's at 0% THC. I think this one has 0.3%, which is legally known as no THC. So if you're going for, fat burning, this is going to really, cut your cravings. You take this in before a meal 3 times a day. It's going to cut your cravings down, and it helps with fat. It has, fat burning properties, so it's going to help with that. I can't guarantee that, but it's going to help with that. You're going to have the detox tea with it, so it's going to cut those cravings and get that gunk out of you. So think about it. It's going to cut those cravings. You're not going to be snacking a lot. You're going to use this tea to clean out the colon, liver, kidneys, etc. Life drops in a resolution. You know what the resolution does. Life drops just has a lot of vitamins, B12, a lot of things in it to replenish the body and give you those things you're lacking. So if we get down to NRG is a natural energy supplement, and it aids in fat burning properties, burning calories, keeping you energized. And you're going to have the NutriBurst, and you're going to have the tea, which is an ultimate kit. You see it's a little more expensive, but you're getting 3 products, and these are all monthly supplies, each product for one person. So if you and your spouse and your kids is drinking this NutriBurst, it won't last for a month. But if it's just you, each 3 of these products will last for a month. I think it's about 30 capsules in here. You only take 2 tablespoons of this. You only use 1 pack of these, which makes a whole gallon. It comes with 5 packs, so 5 weeks. If we get down to, I'm just gonna go through, most of these. I could go through them all. They're very simple to talk about. Chaga is a Siberian mushroom, so it's gonna aid with the immune system. Mushrooms can have medicinal properties such as helping with inflammation, fighting against certain free radicals. So that's what this aids in. About NutriBurst, and so you're gonna help your immune system replenish with those vitamins and phytonutrients you're lacking, and clean out all those free radicals and gunk out of the intestines. And as you can see, now that you know most of these main flagship products, you can see, okay, so here's gonna cut my cravings, burn some calories, give me some energy. You can see the combos in your head. That's why they're all called different things. This is health. A health kit because it's going to boost the immune system. This is going to boost the immune system as well, and this is going to help the immune system because it's going to get rid of those free radicals. And here we have our Alleviate Cream and our Harmony Drops and Tea. Harmony Drops are one of our CBD products, so you know what that's going to help with. If you know about CBD, it's going to help with a lot of things. Our Alleviate is a pain relief cream. You sore muscles, but if you want to waist train or you are waist training, if you put this on your stomach, say you put some plastic wrap in your waist trainer or just your waist trainer, it's going to actually help and actually work as a fat burning cream as well. So that's what a lot of people are using it for, as a fat burning cream. I use it for that. Like I said, Harmony Drops are CBD, and then you got CBD tea, so that's why it's a full spectrum kit. This has CBD in it as well. And here you have the original tea, the NutriBurst, the NRG. So by now you kind of understand what's going on. Let's go to top rate. I'm just going to go through a few products, see if we can get some different ones. Fight, packed with superfoods. This is a smaller version of the NutriBurst. And you can pretty much come in here and click this and read on these, and it'll give you a small description. I actually just got Tachui aids in it's a spirulina powder, aids in protein, has fat burning properties. It just all around good for the blood. A lot of greens and superfoods in it. So I just got this. So if you're trying to gain weight, I would get on one of these 2. NutriBurst Plus just has some extra properties like Q10, etc. in it. I would get on this, and have a detox tea. So I'm cleaning out the gut. I'm building up protein, building up things that's going to help the blood. It's going to help circulation to the cells, as well as a NutriBurst, which is going to add more vitamins, phytonutrients, and superfoods, etc. I personally don't use this, but if you click on it, it's more, immune system types of things. Here's another mushroom. I kind of keep it specific, and I go on and off on different products. I don't take every single product at one time. This is for the women. Let's just click on this. As you see, a blend of ingredients specially formulated to support healthy hormone levels, promote a healthy appetite, and leave you feeling ready for the world. Also supports healthy skin and improved mood, supports healthy skin, promotes proper hormone levels, encourages an overall improved mood, ladies. So we pretty much, to break this thing down, we have something for everyone in Total Life Changes TLC. It's really something for everyone, and that's why I love this company. You don't have to come in here and I have to get a kit. Just come on the bestsellers. Get you some brewed tea. Start off with that our famous, lose 5 pounds in 5 days tea, and to add on that, losing 5 pounds in 5 days, there's going to be so many results, but you have to be realistic. You can't keep your same diet. I'm not saying you have to cut everything out of your diet, but when you're trying to lose 5 pounds in 5 days, you want to at least cut back on those portions. You want to drink that gallon of water, intake more of that water. You want to actually try to do 30 minutes of working out a day. You know what I mean? And get that sleep you need. You want to actually try. This is a lifestyle. You want to actually try to emphasize on the lifestyle. You can't just take the tea and go eat 5 times a day. 3 of the times is eating out fast food and expect to gain 5 pounds in 5 days, especially if you're up in weight. You're up in weight, you kind of let it go for a little bit. You're way over the weight that you usually are. You got to know, now my body's already working against me. So now I got to get good habits. With my eating, I got to slow down on the portions like I had to do. So realize that when it's saying these things, don't take it literally, just you're going to drink this and this. That's what people want, a magic formula, you're going to drink it. That's not healthy. If you're going to drink something that's going to help you lose weight and you're not switching up lifestyle or you're eating, that's not healthy. So realize you got to put some work into it. And here's our Delgado coffee. I have people that really love this coffee. For my coffee drinkers, it's going to aid in, calories burnt, aid in weight loss. And it's a healthier coffee choice. Even they say they like it plain as well. I'm not a coffee drinker, so yeah, but my coffee drinkers really love this. It is in an instant form, but it is, a better alternative than, traditional coffee, because it actually has some properties in there that's going to help you as well. But that was my little overview. So once to finish this off, to touch back into it one more time, if you want to become a member, whether it's a preferred customer, if you want to become a preferred customer, just get in there, buy the product you want. 40 volume products are going to, help you as far as, if you want to get points to your account to put towards products. As a life changer, you want to buy the $50 kit. I will prefer the tangible kit that they're actually going to send you, because it actually has tangible products in it. And you want to buy a best-selling product, or at least a 40 volume product, and most of the 40 volume products are $59.95 and above, so that's how you know you're in that range. Or you can just come in and get a kit depending on your budget. But just know, if you really want to build this business, it doesn't have to take years and months. But no, it's not quick, overnight, get rich type of thing. But if you work with it and you learn your business, learn your products, you see how I'm talking. I'm not reading off anything. I'm really just freestyling this thing. It's going to become a lifestyle, and it's very inexpensive. Everyone's not going to become a rep in your business, but customers buying best-selling products are going to hit you almost the same as reps. So, we're paid daily commission, binary commission, and we have other things. So if you come in and sell a 40 volume product, that's $20 for you. When they come redo their products the month after, that's going to help you as well. Like I said, it's a lifestyle. If you preach a lifestyle, people are going to come back. People are going to try different products, and people are going to find something that fits them, that's just going to go with their everyday regimen and everyday routine. So remember that Total Life Changes is a lifestyle. If you're seeing this on YouTube, make sure you thumbs up or subscribe, thumbs up. Comment below what you liked about the video, and stay tuned. It's going to be a big year if you plug in. A lot of content is going to be coming to the channel on how to run a business in different industries as well, guys. All right, have a good one.